Hi guys, Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper from the Vauxhall Insignia. I had a request on my original video of how to do this, so here it is.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Right, you have a bracket up top, which is two T30 torque or two T40 Torx bits. So them two there come undone. It's the same the other side. Inside the wheel arch, you have again some Torx bits. I have started this job obviously, which are T20. So there's one down here. There's one a little bit higher up, which is here, and then there's one higher up again here. Once these are done on both sides, so you got three this side, three the other side, two here, two the other side. Once they're undone, you can then start to remove the rest of the bumper. And then this is the panel that goes underneath. So you'll see that from the back. You've got that hole, and that hole to remove the pins. Once they're out, then all that's obviously the stuff removed. Once that's out, the bumper will then just drop off. With this model here in particular, you've just got to disconnect the parking sensors, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so now the two bolts and the bracket's off, and you can see I can just peel that away. In here, you have a mounting bracket, so using your fingers at the back, you should just prise it off. And when you come to mount it, you need to make sure that it goes on top of these clips. You see how well that goes. But the clips basically pop into these holes here. So when it goes back on, you can push it together, and you can hear a clip, and then just literally finger tight to come off. Around the other side, same again, finger tight, that'll then come off. I am partway through doing the electrics of the tow bar, so the car is all off. Now them clips to the side you also have along the back, so this might take a little bit more of a persuasion. In fact, I'm going to put it down because I don't want to damage the bumper. Okay, so again, you've got these clips that fit under here. You have to make sure they go in this inside this groove, not on top. So inside, and then clip into there. Plug for the rear parking sensors. The red wire goes down and goes a bit stiff, so you can just use a screwdriver to push it down. You just screwdriver to go down. Once that clip's done, you can then push in the button and separate the two halves. If that's still difficult, down into the groove, and you can lift up the plug, separate them that way. Once that's off, the bumper is free to remove. Take it, and we're off. So there we go, short and sweet, how to remove the bumper. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have enjoyed the content, as always, click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any future content. That's it from me. See you guys next time.